So what is that? Is that
They say like I have to do because that's like
because for me I'm making video for my YouTube.
I think this way.
No.
Okay.
You mean down?
Yeah, yeah.
I think you have been there.
Yeah, I think you have been there. Yeah, that's koi. Koi fish too. So okay guys, we are here in Taverna restaurant in Helsinki with my friends. So, kakain na naman kami for lunch. Again, because we have the same off, so we will eat. Pasyal-pasyal din pag may time. See you guys. Yan.
Let's see. What is this? Coconut chicken.
Germanin family chicken.
Nilosini like chicken.
Yes, stroganoff. Stroganoff.
Yeah,
This is meatballs.
Lamas, wow.
Lamas.
Yes,
Where?
we have ula lamas.
Really?
Yes, wow, I like lamas.
And then we have pasta. Katkarapo pasta jaya. And they have porsan lake. Pork cutlet. And this one is
This
the
is steamed
Asian
fish.
food. Yeah, this is
Yeah,
the Asian
this
food.
is good. This I don't like.
It's vegetables. But first we have to get the soup.
Let's see first. Nilosini.
Here.
Where is?
I will go first around because so we have different choices guys. We have Asian food. Here we have chicken wings. This one is tofu I guess. And then they have also pizza. Wherever you want to walk. That maybe that, yeah, yeah. And they have pizza also options. Pizza, and then we have this vegetarian. And then in this side salads.
It's like this.
Of course. And we have sushi. I don't like so much sushi.
Oh, I love sushi.
And here it's soup. Wow. Jaya, oh. This is so nice.
With that?
Yeah.
When we are making chili.
I haven't made it yet. And this one is Vietnamese soup. Or Thai soup. I don't know. Asian soup. And here's the for soup, yeah. And here's the dessert. They have only pie. And then coffee. And then ice cream. Because it's lunchtime, we can't get more workers, that's why. Are you done? The doctor asked me how many hours we have to stand at work. Then what you say? I said like we have to stand almost every hour. Like there's 2 times to go for a break. I told doctor. It's so busy like we don't have time for a break. I said like kita stand in untuk tayo gagawin sa radio. Ano po pinili tayo? Because the doctor was so shocked to see my leg. What happened to your leg? It was paining and he is a little bit like sore. Where in the this in the this bottom, you know? They say palta. Palo like this. Like here, you know? So painful. I couldn't even walk. How about your shoes? I trimmed my foot another. He was. So there's a strike going on here in Helsinki about Israel. This is the University of Helsinki. If you get boyfriend for a long one in Helsinki, yeah, I go tell him like let's go. No, no, no. I have been so many times. There is nothing to say. Yeah, but for me, I just want to go around. You have work? Yeah, not like I have 2 days, but I will adjust with Krishna. So Krishna will work. He told me like you have to sacrifice so many things. Yeah, that's true. He lived so many years single. He feels the difference. Yeah. I was thinking. What is? How much is the cherry? 10 euro. Cherry is 10 euro. And we are not sure if it's sweet. The last time you have to. You cannot taste here, no? Sometimes. Really? This one is so nice. Oh, this color. This one. I think yeah, this one also is beautiful. Oh, this one is cute. I like this mixed color, you know? Yeah. And this one is looks so nice also. It's quite big. Oh, this new Perona is so expensive. In City Market, it's like 9 euros. Before she had power on her hand. But now, no AC means nothing had power. The how many AC means now in Shingen? Satope, Johanna, Minna, Kylis. Kylis, I think she had some work. That's all, 4 of you, or 4 of them. Where is this, what is this, where is you saw sometimes in
We've always.
How about you?
Because we coming to. We are planning to go 5, 6, 7.
Oh,
We
okay.
are going to Muru Market to buy groceries and some groceries.
So where you meet?
No, I will go to my room.
You go to your home now?
Not now, maybe later. He will come to my place.